Hi, I'm Eddie McGill with Rosa's Daughters, and I want to share with you the things that you can expect from Rosa's Daughters. From our very first meeting, when we walk into your home, we're getting to know you. We're getting to see your environment, and you're getting to meet us. We start building a rapport. We start building trust, and that's very important. You can expect that you're going to have a good plan for the moving forward. And each and every move we do is different. So your move is not like the move that we just completed. And we come in and we start adapting to your needs. That is what you can expect from us. We're not a cookie cutter move company. We are customizing everything of the move to what your needs are. So you can bet that we're coming in with all the right equipment, all the right materials, and all the right experience and knowledge of how to handle your move specifically.